Okay, so talking about populations and samples. So it's really just important to understand this concept. It's part of all of our data analysis. In every set of data, this is going to be a factor. It's not like a characteristic in our data set. It's kind of behind the scenes, but it's there, right? So we need to understand how the sampling process affects our understanding of the population. So we never have access to the population. We always want to understand the population. We're trying to make decisions based on the population as a whole. How can we offer them a better product, better service? But we don't have them. We don't have access. We only have access to customers or a certain region, but we want to understand more. Okay? So we need to understand that our data, and just keep in mind, keep it in the back of our head as we're doing analysis, it's a sample, right? And that's going to affect our understanding or what we can understand from our data. So that was remember that point. Imagine a time. Well, have you ever seen penguins or not penguins, pandas at the zoo? Okay, and so if you've never seen pandas, imagine a bear. Imagine a bear's environment or another large animal the last time you were at the zoo. So as we're looking at as we're standing outside the panda's environment, we're looking at that. And one of the things is we see this panda in here, this big environment right there, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, illogically, pandas are just falling from the sky. Right? And there's so many pandas, they're filling up this environment, right? A big mountain of pandas now, right? And the important thing to remember though is this is still just a small sample of the pandas. It looks like a massive amount of pandas, a giant mountain of pandas in the panda environment, but it's still just a small sample. That's one of the things, even a million rows, 2 million rows might still be a very small sample. We need to keep that in mind as we're doing our analysis and how that will affect our final answers and the robustness of the things that we're seeing. Okay.